Hi everyone, this is Alex from Luminous Film. Today I'm going to show you how to apply adhesive to a window. This technique will be suitable for all window films. Before starting, I will check that my film matches the desired dimension. First, to measure, we will use a meter and not a ruler. That's much more precise. For measurements, if I apply the film to the outside, I will measure the outside of my glazing. If I apply it to the inside, I will therefore measure the inside of my glazing. Now I'm going to measure the glass area, that is the transparent part of my glazing, without the seals. For the width, I will measure twice, at the top and at the bottom, and I will keep the larger measurement. So for the height, I will also measure twice, on the left, on the right, and I will keep my largest measurement. Please note that each pane of glass will need to be measured, as the panes are not necessarily all the same size. Lastly, at Luminis, we offer custom cutting services. To do this, I will subtract 2 mm from my measurements to avoid problems when the joints expand. Okay, I received my film in the correct dimensions. Before I begin my application, I'm going to check that I have everything I need. There must be a soapy solution, a cutter, a scraper where the blade will need to be reversed, a squeegee to assemble, a smoothing tool, and a sprayer. I will also need a microfiber cloth, some tape, paper towels, and a tablespoon. Before moving on, I'm going to give you some tips. I will avoid laying my film when there is high heat, wind, or risk of frost. Generally, a pause temperature between 10 and 28 degrees is recommended. And then we use a second person to make the installation easier. One more piece of advice, watch this entire video. For me, I'm going to move on to the most important step, which is cleaning. You will need to thoroughly clean your window for optimal installation. Before I start cleaning, I'll need to prepare my soapy water. It is a mixture of 500 ml of water and 2 tablespoons of soapy solution. For cleaning, I will spray my mixture over the entire window, and with my scraper, I will scrape my window from the center outwards. And finally, I'm going to wipe my uprights with my microfiber cloth. Now I can proceed with my second wash, this time with my squeegee. And as with the scraper, I will have to spray my mixture over the entire glass and push the water outwards from the center. Next, I'll finish by cleaning the uprights with my microfiber cloth. Now that my glass is nice and clean, I can spray water all over the glass before installing it. To start preparing my film, I need to find the side with the protective liner. It's very simple. Just fold a corner of the film over on itself. If the film slides, that's the liner side. If the film sticks, that's the film side. At Luminous Film, we help you by placing a small sticker on the liner side. To start separating my liner, I'm going to take my film and place it on a clean, flat surface. Next, I'll use 2 pieces of tape and my soapy solution. I'm going to have to firmly apply my 2 pieces of tape to a corner of my film, pressing them down hard with the smoother. Then I'll gently try to separate the 2 pieces of tape. Next, I'll spray my water and soap mixture between the film and the liner. This will keep the liner from sticking back to the film. Now that the corner of my liner is ready, I'll make sure I have enough water in my spray bottle to generously spray my window. Also, you'll need to call over the second person. And before applying it, I'm going to wet my fingers as well as the fingers of the person who will be helping me. During this step, I'll be able to completely separate the liner from the film. To do this, I lift the film by the corners with the started corner at the top. The second person can then gently pull on the liner while spraying our mixture onto the unprotected adhesive and the window. This step is very important. The film needs to be thoroughly wet everywhere, as does the window pane. The soapy water will neutralize the adhesive, which will also allow you to adjust the film on the window pane during application. As soon as the uncovered film is well sprayed, I place the wet side directly against the window. At this stage, the film should slide on the window. If it doesn't slide, you can gently lift the film and spray more of the mixture. I can move on to squeegeeing to push out the water that's between the film and the window pane. This will help fix the film to the window. Before squeegeeing, I always wet the film to improve the glide. Next, I start by squeegeeing a central strip from top to bottom. Then I continue from the center outwards, always working from top to bottom. A quick reminder, the goal here is to push out as much water as possible. If, while squeegeeing, I notice that my film is a little too big, most importantly, I'm not going to remove it. Using my smoother as a guide and my utility knife, I can trim the excess part. To do this, I press the smoother against the edge of the seal and, with the utility knife, I cut off the excess. Be careful, for my cut, I always use a new blade. For the excess, I pull it outwards and press down the cut edge again. And now I can finally move on to the finishing step, drying the film. For that, I'll need to wrap my smoother in a paper towel and then I'll squeegee from the center outwards. Now I can see there are no bubbles or tunnels. The installation is now complete. If I notice any tunnels or a corner that's peeling up, it means my film is touching the seal. I can then use my smoother and my utility knife to trim the excess film that's touching the seal. The next day, some bubbles might appear. This is completely normal. The film will eventually tighten up and they will disappear. So the best thing to do is not to touch anything for 4 weeks to let the film dry. If I see any dust bubbles, meaning a small bubble with a black dot inside, it's because of improper cleaning of the glass and I won't be able to remove it. But don't worry, it will eventually fade over time and become unnoticeable from 2 meters away. Alright, that's the end of this video. You can find all our upcoming tutorials on our website, luminisfilm.com. See you next time and happy installing!